they're trying to make.
You hear that? That's the sound of drones flying. The buzzing sound is heard every Wednesday after school inside the Junior Reserve Officers Training Corps classroom at PD Jackson-Olin High School.
On your marks, get set, go.
I like flying drones a lot. I have my own at home. I fly around sometimes around my backyard. It's really fun to fly.
That's Roderick Page, a member of JO's drone team. He and his teammate Adam Berthelot are coding this drone to be able to operate it solely from their computer.
Test out
the angles, when to turn it.
Power, how much power to use, because that is very vital when you are controlling drones. Even when you're like manually flying, if you put too much power on a drone, it can be kind of difficult to control.
The Mustangs drone team is still new and it's growing fast, attracting more students every year who want to get in on the action. What encouraged you to join the drone team?
It was like kind of like a love at first sight kind of thing. I heard about it and so was like, hey, let me find out where that's at.
Our drone team started with just our robotics club and flying drones. Our goal was, can we capture footage of all our sporting events and all of our other activities? We partnered with JROTC because JROTC Co-Drone EDU has a platform for competitions.
That's Mrs. Tandy Petrov, JO chemistry teacher and one of the coaches for the drone team.
Like trophies, we can win, and I don't want one of them. Guess what I want? I want all of them. Y'all ready for them? Y'all think you can do it?
Yep.
I think I can.
Mrs. Petrov hyping up her scholars while preparing to compete in a major aerial drone competition very soon.
A lot of our kids have been playing with drones since they were in elementary school or even middle school. And now they have a chance to showcase that skill set, not just for our competition, which is helping us get on the map because now we get to meet other students. We get to interact with other schools. We get to show that what we're doing here in the city, anybody can do it.
And landing before the time runs out. There are 3 ways to introduce balls into the field.
These scholars are focused and ready for that unique opportunity to show off their skills and knowledge about drones. How does it feel to know that you all's team will be competing against other schools all across the Southeast?
I feel like it'll be cool to compete. I might get a little nervous, but like
I'm gonna get a little nervous.
Genuinely, it's just been like a passion that I have.
You have to be. It's like right at.
The benefits of being on the drone team are rewarding. In fact, scholars can earn drone certifications that could land them incredible jobs after high school.
There's a couple of certifications out, and through those certification programs, we can have our students actually doing military drones, such as through our JROTC program. There's also a civilian drone certification program, and we're going to be working with the drone companies up in Morris, Alabama. So we've already reached out to their RC flight people and seeing what is it going to take to get our students permitted.
The Mustangs are very eager and looking forward to their upcoming competition. In fact, saying, quote, they will put JO on the map, end quote. I'm Jalen Holloway, BCS Media.